How we feel and how we look are intrinsically linked. We might all look different and age differently, but one thing we have in common is we all just want to look our best. My Beauty Plan is designed by your expert clinician in consultation with you, so you can feel in control of the way you look. We introduced a group of people to My Beauty Plan and asked them about the process.
You want to look your best, and looking into the makeup basket, it's not really doing the job that it used to do.
I think it's suddenly like you age in a year what might have taken 4 or 5 years before 50.
I just thought perhaps to take a few years off, make me look a bit younger and gives me a better chance of, competing and finding work.
I'd feel 25 inside and I'd go past a mirror and I'd go, oh, when did that happen? How did that happen?
I don't feel old, but yeah, I've just noticed my face starting to look a bit older.
I'm very active and very fit, so I guess that's another reason for doing this. The face doesn't necessarily match the body.
My chief aim, in proceeding with this, is that I look natural.
Yeah, well, that just makes perfect sense. I wouldn't mind ongoing treatment to maintain the look.
It's not just an overnight thing. You just slap on some moisturiser or whatever it is and look better straight away. It's not really realistic. Yeah, you've got to kind of have a bit of a regime that you can kind of follow. So yeah, I'm all for that. But yeah, it's long term.
I want to look fresher. I don't want to look like I've gone and had a whole lot of work done.
I'm going to be my age regardless, but if I can just freshen it up, that would be great. I'm not expecting to look 20.
To look a little bit more fresh and perhaps to take away just a couple of years just to give you a little bit more freshness.
You realise how much your perception is influenced by what you just see in the media. And so to truly understand what it's about, you need to speak to a professional. I like the approach of it's a longer term goal and it's a process in getting there. It's not about getting everything done in one hit.
That it's being broken down to several stages. It gives me an overview of what to expect, so there's not going to be any surprises.
Go for it. Sign me up. I'm ready. Let's do it. I don't have any hesitation. I'm really looking forward to seeing the results.
It's really freshened my face up a lot, and I feel like I'm starting to look more, my face is starting to look more like I feel.
I look better. Doesn't look fake, it looks like real.
I had no idea of just how subtle you could make the effect.
I have felt actually more confident and haven't felt so much that I need to put as much makeup on.
It's hard to say, but it just makes me feel a lot better and a lot more connected with who I used to be.
I've become more aware of how our face and our skin ages, how tweaking certain areas can improve your overall appearance.
They've explained to me that over time it's worth having a top-up rather than starting from scratch again and now to do the maintenance. And that makes a lot of sense to me.
I think if you think you look good, you feel good. Yeah, definitely return.
I've been pleasantly surprised with the outcomes, but also with how I've been kept informed throughout.
Yes, I'd recommend it.
I don't feel concerned about it or embarrassed or anything. It's I'd recommend it to any guy. I think it's great.
You really can't put a price on things like feeling more confident or more relaxed and feeling happier.
It can be natural, and that is in fact how it's supposed to look.
My Beauty Plan is more than a facial treatment plan. It's an investment in the way you look, not just today, but for the future. Talk with your clinician.